Hey everyone, some of you might have heard that AWS recently launched the regional availability mode for NAT gateways. For years, we had to deploy separate NAT gateways in every availability zone to maintain high availability. This new feature allows you to create one single regional NAT gateway that automatically expands into any AZ where your workloads are active. It simplifies your VPC by removing the need for public subnets and per AZ route tables. But is it actually a cost saver for everyone? Let's take a look at the numbers for 2026. The table on screen shows breakdown of costs running the two types of NAT gateways. Notice the hourly charge for the new regional NAT gateway. Although it's a VPC level resource, you aren't just paying for one gateway. You are paying for every availability zone where you have resources running. If your app is in 3 zones, your base hourly bill is exactly the same as it was with the old zonal model. So why AWS released this? Because the real saving isn't on the bill. It's in your engineering time and operational overhead. In the past, every NAT gateway needed a home in public subnet with its own route table pointing to an internet gateway. With regional NAT, you don't need those public subnets anymore. The regional NAT has its own internal AWS managed route table that hooks directly into your internet gateway. This means fewer route tables to manage and a significantly smaller attack surface for your VPC. There might be additional saving from the regional NAT gateway because it stops charging for an AZ as soon as your instances scale down to 0 in that zone, unlike zonal NAT gateway which keeps billing until deleted. Ultimately, the regional NAT gateway is AWS admitting that VPC networking was getting too complex. By moving the complexity from your route tables into their managed service, they've given us a more resilient way to handle internet egress. So here is my advice for 2026. Don't migrate for hourly savings. Migrate for the simplicity instead. Your time as an engineer is more expensive than 4.5 cents an hour. If you want a copy of the cost comparison table I used in this video, I've linked it in the description below. Until next time, happy building!